work and said I am work shy. My friends are too, it ain't no lie. But you find us up before the morning sun, when the hop picking season has begun. Mr. Farmer, we're tractor driving men. We come to drive your tractors once again. Come on, boys, don't let your diesel engine stop. Gotta beat the winter weather to the hops. Now the gang of Manny point you to your roll. Steady, boy, don't let your trailer hook that pole. As the women load you up, you turn and smile. So I'll be back down this road in just a while. Now you're loaded up, the rain begins to pour. Flip the throttle back, boys, let them engine roar. Come on, boys, don't let your diesel engine stop. Gotta beat the winter weather to the hops. Farmer Wakely's walking around wearing a frown, 'cause the old house down the station's broken down. They swear they get it fixed by supper time, but the clouds are rolling in and gathering round. Well, it's lucky that he's got us a lively crew. If you want your hops in, Mr. Farmer, we're the boys for you. Come on, boys, don't let your diesel engine stop. Gotta beat the winter weather to the hops. Play the guitar. Set in, the clouds are thick and low, so it's down to the tea shop you'll go. Ah, the rains are running from my hat and coat. I just can't help laughing at the jokes. You know that waitress, she's much prettier by far, in the makeup that you don't buy in a jar. Come on, boys, don't let your diesel engine stop. Gotta beat the winter weather to the hops. Once more, it's party time. Grab yourself a pretty girl, but don't grab mine. You know I love you more than anything, my dear, but afraid that I can't see you till next year. Then you bid farewell to friends and shake their hands. I'm as proud to be a tractor driving man. Come on, boys, don't let your diesel engine stop. Gotta beat the winter weather to the hops.